Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure cheats are available. This is necessary to run game mode commands. First, check your Java Edition version and whether you created the world with cheats enabled. If you miss that, press Escape right arrow open to LAN and toggle Allow Cheats to On, then start LAN World. On multiplayer servers, you must be an operator. If not, request OP. Once done, press T to open chat so you can enter commands in the next step. Now you execute the command that actually changes the mode. In chat, type /game mode followed by the mode name, for example /game mode creative to switch yourself. To change someone else, add their name or selector, /game mode survival notch or /game mode spectator at P. You can also use short forms like C for creative. Make sure you use the correct spelling and target. If you see no permission, it means you need OP or finish by verifying the change. Creative gives unlimited blocks and flight, survival restores normal HUD and hunger, spectator removes collision and shows ghost view, adventure restricts block breaking. If the command didn't apply, rerun it with the exact player name or use a selector like at P. If you get unknown command or permission denied, return to open to LAN to enable cheats or ask an admin to grant OP. That single fix resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.